today. I feel the same way as an empty shell today. I feel as lonely as hell in my head, and I'm so tired of feeling this way. And when I look at you, it makes me realize I don't even know who I am. But maybe someday, maybe someday I will find me. So maybe someday, maybe someday I will find you. But for now, I'm still so